Ooh, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the podcast. I'm your host, Connor, and I wonder if her back hurts from carrying every single joke I've ever told on the show. I'm so sorry. Let's play in English. Let's choose my diary. Of course, you gotta go, Connor. Gotta go normal mode. We are continuing. So, in the previous episode, we did You Bark, They Run and Retrieve Them All. Now we gotta do There Is Something About Sheep. We're picking the basic sheep. Herd the sheep to the goal within the time. Rescue 4 sheep. The time limit is 5 minutes. There we go. There's the barking. I still remember the grabbing and the wait a minute, what is that? Herd sheep over bars for bonus points. Get back over here. Now I'm starting to see. Get over there. We got some sheep over some bars. Ooh. Danger. Accident-prone cornfield. So the sheep like to eat corn. And you could see where they are in the corn. Alright. What's this? Danger, electric fence. Oh my god. This is gonna be carnage. Wait a minute. Hold on. Get back. Alright, one sheep is stuck in the cornfield. One sheep got absolutely blown out into that area. What are these scarecrows? There's probably a sign. Nope, no sign. What's the map button? I can't remember. Map. Alright. Herd sheep into van to exit. Now we can get out. And we are going to probably have to get some more sheep. Let's check the map again. See where we went wrong. Right over here, I'm seeing 2 sheep. I bet we're just going to have to toss them over. Perfect. I want to figure out what to do with these scarecrows, but I just can't find the sign. Come on. And then there should be 3 more. Yep. Let's go up. We still got time. We still got plenty of time. There's 1. There's 2 and there's 3. Let's not get harvested, please. Run! Alright. There we go. No sheep died, but, like... I mean, you saw what happened with that harvester, man. It was close. It was very close. Oh, you have to get the sheep to knock down the scarecrows. Alright. Let's try doing that. We are wasting a lot of time. Wait, what if I just throw a sheep at the scarecrow? Come to think of it. I could just do that. You know what? I'll go back for it later. Let's just get you guys in. Alright. And let's leave. We got all 9 sheep in there. I could have done a little better, but... oh well. We did get 9 sheep, though, so that is pretty nice. We are going to save our game. Make good use of items found in stages. Place a candy, and the sheep will gather around it. Turn on the radio, and the sheep will gather around you. Yes. Now we gotta do a wild sheep chase. And you know what? We're going to use... probably not a cool sheep. I see a lot of water and I don't want him to drown. We use a rocker. Herd sheep to the goal within the time. We have 6 minutes to rescue 4 sheep. Immediately, I see a sign. Let's go. That's all the sign says. Alright. I don't know what Superman's doing, but... how did you even get in there? Wait a minute. What the heck? Get moving. Alright, well now we see why they're called emotional sheep. Come on. Just fling them over the fence, man. Alright. What do you have to say? You must push these gates open from the other side. I think there still is a sheep on the map that I missed, or 3 sheeps that I missed on the map. Yeah, like I could get you over. Let's do that. If you're like a sheep expert, you're probably looking at me all crazy. Can I just like push them through? How did they even get in here? This is confusing. All right, I'll figure that out eventually. I'll probably just replay the level. Anyway, get back with your friends. We're making the mother of all omelets here. We can't fret over every egg. Toss. Toss. Oh yeah, and since we're using crazier sheep, I say crazy, but I mean they're just slightly emotional. We are free to just kind of leave a few of them. I do have some candy. How do I place the candy again? I could do it like that, alright. And there are some more sheep over here that I need to figure out how to get. Can I grab onto like the Superman and fly over? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Get on the other side. This is truly a wild sheep chase. There's probably some game mechanics I don't know. Herd sheep onto sheep button. Pick up the sheep to get it off. Pick up the item. And we're already back. What's that sign say? Head for the north and let a sheep push the red button. Okay. There it is. There's the button. Oh. So running through that thing. All right. So maybe that's it. Oh, wait. I could put a candy on the button. Wait. Hold on. And then what does the button say? Herd sheep onto sheep button. Pick up to get off. All right. This has been a little sketchy, but we did get a few of them in there. Now let's get you over. Right, it was 4 sheep I needed, and luckily I have 4 sheep on the side. Alright. Again, we could sacrifice a few of them. It's fine. Alright, we're fine. We're going to save our game. Golden sheep. If you get a golden sheep, you could play a bonus stage. In the bonus stage, you may be able to increase your stock of sheep. Catch the sheep. Herd the sheep onto the goal within the time. What is happening? Oh, okay. That's how it works. This is horrible. I hate this. Alright, so I got 2 sheep in there. I stepped into the electric fence. I stepped into the electric fence again. Alright, don't step into the electric fence, please. I accidentally grabbed a cool sheep. Oh my god, I just killed one. There we go. I at least got 1 rocker sheep in there. I killed 32? Alright. Let's save the game. Ooh, I managed to herd them. Now I could go home. I could get rest now. Not the way to the ranch, is it? It seems not, no. We will not be coming back to our ranch, will we? It seems not, no. So the sheepdog thinks that it is wise and smart. However, it is not wise enough to know where the truck is heading. Ooh, I feel dizzy. I hate cars. They make me sick. Oh, we've stopped. Yes. Shall we get off? Yes. Chan, I'm home. Wait, where am I? Uh-oh, maybe I'm wrong. Is this the neighbor's ranch? Oh no. He is so foolish. Yes. Shall we go? Yes. The second sheep is very agreeable. I'm noticing. Neighbor farm. Farm is situated 20 miles away from Jan Ranch. It is the middle of the harvest season at this time of year, and there are many tractors working there busily. Watch out for them and don't let them run over the sheep. With the new ranch, we will call it for today, and I will see you guys on the next adventure where we play the Mushroom Party.